Hi, my name's RJ and I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom map in Equator. First thing I did was make a new project. Now I'm going to select a location. Start by searching Anchorage and zooming into Anchorage, Alaska. Now I'll zoom in more, get the better base layer here, and switch over to layers. Delete my original search and open up the filter to make sure that I'm only getting Municipality of Anchorage. Now let's add some data. Let's grab airports. See those load in right away. Subdivisions. Addresses. There's the subdivisions loading in. And let's look for the streets. And the streets are loaded in. Now we're just waiting for the addresses to load in. Should only take a moment. There they are. Now it's not looking as good as it could, so I'm going to have to go in and make some edits. First, I'm seeing these black lines around these squares, but after removing them, I think it looks better with them there, so I'll leave them. But these address points, they definitely need to be smaller. Try 1 pixel. It's looking good. Maybe we can make these streets thicker, but when we're zoomed out that might be too much. Let's keep them at 1 pixel, but the addresses can go up to 2. That looks a little bit better. Now let's add some data. First I'm going to check the lidar availability. We see a green box, that means we have got high quality lidar here. Click on contours and create a new site. It'll take 5 minutes to process, so in the meantime, let's look for a place in the mountains here to generate a point cloud. Got good quality data all the way out to here. So let's make a new site. Get the better base map here, there we go. And select point cloud. Now this one will load in immediately. Give that some time to load in, and in the meantime, let's get rid of the red box around it there, and we'll rename the group to point cloud just to stay organized. Let's take a look. Point cloud's looking good. A little bit of noise in the left hand side there, but other than that it looks great. Zoom in. Some detailed trees. You can tell the elevation difference based on the colors. Great. Let's look at the rest of this data we have here from this angle. See, the streets are orange. All the dots are the addresses. Now we'll see the contours in the overview here.